This is a videotape presentation of the 2009 Doosan DNM 400 CNC Vertical Machining Center. Take a quick look at the serial number back here. Serial number is DNM 4000084. Manufactured 2009-01. Just going to do a quick video today. Just run the axes around a little bit, run the spindle up, do a few indexes of the tool changer, and show that the augers work properly. Doing the x-axis right now. Z-axis. Index tool changer. It's 4,000 RPMs right there. 6,000 RPMs. 7,000 RPMs. That's max at 8,000 RPMs. Just slowly jog it back down. I'll just show that the augers work. Dual augers on this. It says the Doosan Funoka I-Series CNC control. This does come with a chip conveyor with coolant tank combined, and it also has a high pressure coolant system attached to that one. This machine right here has through spindle coolant. And that concludes this videotape presentation.